Hello students, today we are going to study about the two types of thermometers that has been discussed in the chapter heat. Here you can see I have kept two thermometers. One is a clinical thermometer and another one is a laboratory thermometer. Now this laboratory thermometer, let me show you, it is only marked as your degree Celsius, isn't it? And here it is written 100. If you can see, it is 100 written, and here it is written 10. That means the upper range is 110. And now you come to the lower end of the laboratory thermometer. Here it is mercury, and here you can see it is straight. The mercury is going straight. This dark line is the mercury which is going straight, and here it is 0. Here you can see it is written 0, and below 0 also it is written 10. So when it is below 0, it means minus 10. So the range of the thermometer, that is the laboratory thermometer, is between minus 10 to 110 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is 110 degrees Celsius. Now come to this the clinical thermometer. In this clinical thermometer, students, see there are two types of scales. One is your Celsius written in C, and the bottom one is Fahrenheit, isn't it? And the Celsius scale is ranging between 35 to 42 degrees Celsius. So the range of clinical thermometer is very less. And the 37 degrees Celsius, which is written here, students, that represents the normal body temperature. And similarly, the 98.4, you can see here it is written in red. That is the Fahrenheit. 98.4 degree Fahrenheit is the normal human body temperature. And this below one is the Fahrenheit scale, which is ranging from that of the 94 to 108 degree Fahrenheit. So this clinical thermometer, how is it different? There is a thing which is called kink. So let us try to focus the kink, if we are able to focus it properly. Let me show it. There is actually a inverted U-like structure, if you people are able to see. Inverted U-like structure. So this actually prevents the backflow of the mercury. And you can see here there is a silver marking mercury, which is actually indicating the rise in the temperature. Once you hold it in your mouth, the mercury will raise up to a certain level of your body temperature, and the kink which is present here will prevent the falling of the mercury through this thermometer. But unlike this, in the laboratory thermometer, you can see there is no kink. There is no kink, and as a result, whenever you want to take the temperature through a laboratory thermometer, you have to always dip the tip in the substance whose temperature you want to know. If you just take it out, in that case, it will again the mercury level will fall from here, and you will not get the right kind of temperature. So this is actually the basic difference between that of the clinical thermometer and that of the laboratory thermometer. That is, here both in Celsius and Fahrenheit, and here only in Celsius. The range of temperature is very less. In case of your clinical thermometer, lies between 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, or 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. But here it is minus 10 to the upper range, which is your 110 degrees Celsius. And of course the usage is all the same. That means you have to be very careful while handling, because since it is liquid mercury and it is very toxic to the health, so you should be holding the thermometer properly. While you are taking the temperature, always you should hold the the thermometer in the hand like this, okay, so that it is in same alignment with your eyes, and you can see the marking properly. You have to jerk the thermometer 2-3 times after taking the temperature and putting it into the mouth of somebody else. Also, you have to put it into an antiseptic solution, so that the infection does not goes from one person's mouth to another person. And after using both the thermometers, definitely you have to put it in its cover, so as to protect it from getting broken down. So this is actually the cover of the laboratory thermometer, and this is the cover of the clinical thermometer.